Okay.
Okay, so we have create sprint. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start with all our spillovers. So we have scanning. We have the transcript. Okay.
The story points story has been revised by Ariel David.
Yes, I some updates. Yeah.
Okay. Ariel is on leave today. Just assign. Sorry.
Does Maha want to revise the score, the story points?
No. No.
No. Okay.
Okay. But I think David, we need to add the description and the acceptance criteria for that. There is no mention of the integration, the API details in that story. So when you have time, you can do that later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but well, the question is so. But first, I would need to receive some, because in this one I would need to add only those only the details of the things that are missing, or the entire description.
The entire description would be fine, David.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me add it as an action point.
Okay. Later in comments, maybe Maha can update her the sprint details. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Okay. Then we have the spike that Gautam was doing in the previous sprint. So if he is almost done with that, well, not almost, but if he is well advanced, let's say, I thought that maybe it's better to just finish this one. So again, we're going to add it. Then we have speed of playing audio. This is almost done. Or, well, no, it's ready for testing. So,
yeah, let's have it in the sprint.
All right, and then we have registration in registration process integrated with the backend.
Okay.
So we need to estimate it and assign it.
Right. Yes. Along with the testing, you mean? Registration. Backend integration. 5 points in total. Okay, David. 5 points, and it is for Ram Kumar. I hope, Ram, you have gone through the description and the acceptance criteria in the story.
Yes.
Any clarifications you need or anything you want the story to be updated? All good?
Any clarification, I'll ask.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Then we have the same stage of the download process in the unit and lesson view. I could see that Hazel assigned it to himself.
Yes, and he has estimated as 5 points, David.
Okay. Again, Ezo is doing half of the sprint. Okay. And then we have remove unnecessary push animations when unlocking content. And yeah, I added acceptance criteria here. User can tap a call to action row, scan a QR code, see validation view appearing in a push animation, tap let's go, sign in, see the my profile courses view. Because there are some redundant animations, as you can see, right here. But I believe that this might be quite... I know why it was so. I think that Gautam did that. And it was just the fact that there were certain technical limitations to running the scanner, right? So I think this might be a bit demanding. But I think that currently... Well, it was acceptable at some point when Gautam was doing that. But it looks so terrible that we need to try to fix it.
Okay, David. I think this time Ram is willing to try it out. So, but he wants it to have it as a spike since it is new for him.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I haven't tried it.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking. As a spike.
He's okay to have it as a spike.
Okay.
Ram.
We're not estimating it, and we are assigning it to Ram Kumar. Okay. All right. And then we have a number of bugs reported by Valipan. Well, I think that they were all reported by the Valipan, not myself. Yeah. So, yeah. So if I log in first and unlock the level, then by scanning app redirection to the particular level and struck the courses screen, not able to do anything else.
Okay, so which was the one Ariel was working previously and left it halfway?
That is 363.
363. Okay, so 361.
Ariel did not commit anything. 361. He said he will be working on it.
It will be covered under refactoring for the scan process, right? So,
David, in this case, we are not going to redirect it right now. If we unlock the levels.
If we unlock the level, we decided not to redirect because if the user unlocks more than one level,
Yes.
yeah, it was due to that.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you believe that this is no case anymore? We can remove it?
Yes, David.
What do you mean?
we can descope this from
No,
the backlog or
Yes.
from the sprint or no
From the
scope at all.
backlog. No scope at all.
Okay, I think we can close it by descoping it, David.
Okay. So, well, I lost the ability to close things. Oh yeah, I have it. Okay, so it's not this Jira. I do not have it. Okay.
Descope.
Um, business requirements. Changed. Okay. Okay. I feel too bad to provide any long description. Okay. User unable to maximize the video and video player in Android.
Actually, David, we checked on it. I mean, in the last sprint, I checked on it, but then the plugin which we are using right now does not support full screen video player on Android. So I thought of taking up it in the last sprint itself. I hope you remember 699, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we had a discussion to take it, but then the thing is, the plugin which we are using right now does not support full screen support in Android. So you have to find some other workaround for it. This one. So that's why it's stuck.
All right, but do we have an option to change the plugin?
Yeah, if we change it, then it might be a rework in both iOS and Android. So that's the problem in
So
this.
the entire audio and
yeah.
videos.
No, not in the audio. In case of video.
Video
player.
only. Okay.
Yeah. So we might have to take it as a rework, maybe an improvement story or something, because the plugin work has to be repeated. I mean, the video player.
Okay.
We can go with other stories and then later if there is one, we can take this one.
Is there a workaround for that portion?
No, the plugin won't support. I've checked it already.
Okay.
Even I discussed it with LL and he told the same. That's the problem.
Mm-hmm.
And go on with the next ones and later if we have value, we can take a story for this one. That's okay.
David, what is your take on this?
Well, my take on this is that I need to speak to the stakeholders if this is an important feature.
Okay.
I will speak to stakeholders if this is a must have. Okay. The planning session, we discussed the fact that fixing it would require changing the plugin which would be a major piece of work. Okay. 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 All right, so I'm going to put it lower. All right. Application is hanged with Pearson logo once users swipe the application in home screen.
Okay, it's again related to push animation. Ram?
Which one?
If they use the tabs on the page.
No, this is
No,
different.
no, no. This one is different, I guess. After launching the application, the back swipe
And
animation.
swipe gestures is there, right?
Yeah,
That's
that animation doesn't.
Oh.
Oh, animation.
Come on, that animation.
Is it for shake or?
No.
No, this issue is regarding the tabs, swipe between tabs.
So who can take this?
Which one? Number?
No.
729.
We didn't take it. This is a new issue, recent report. For iOS debate.
Again, I was.
Oh, yes. In Android,
I was
I have fixed.
If the user swipe from home screen, it works.
Yes.
He only said 278.
No.
Actually, he
Two things he has to.
Okay, 1 minute, I'll check. 276, 278, 731. Other than that, he said he will take one more. So should we have it for him? Okay, so David, let's have it for Aiden. What would be the estimation? Can you help with the estimation?
Maybe tomorrow we can estimate.
No.
For this one.
We need to estimate during the planning itself, right?
Okay, then you do one thing. Just assign to me and that 3 months.
Sure.
Sure. Assign it to me and the estimate as 3.
Okay, David, a small change. Let's assign it for Ram Kumar, and the point would be 3,
Yes.
including the testing effort. Okay. Seven 6 2.
What's the description? Okay. Last print is this.
Okay.
This is only for Android devices,
Okay.
and activities are not opening for any unit.
And why was it assigned for Errol?
No, sometimes we give it.
Okay.
In his bill, we found
Okay,
that
fine.
issue.
You will take it? Okay, and the points would be? Uh, 3 points, David, and it is for Mahalakshmi. Right, 3-0.
Sure, just
It's
Fair enough.
This is not 5:31.
Okay, 5:30 is for Maha, and she's good with that. David. Estimation is 2 points. Okay. 5:11. Ram, it was assigned to you, but 5:11.
No, it's CAD.
Is it working? No.
No.
It's not working yet. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, I'm going to handle scan, so I'll take this.
Okay.
And the points would be 2. Okay, it's for Maha, David. 5:11 is for Maha. And one more thing, Edil mentioned is 278, David. He said he can take 278. Or Edil.
Already there.
It's already there. Okay, fine. Five, 3, 6.
Do not download that content. This is, I guess, unlocking level and download its machine.
This one is already.
More in the story.
I think it's not updated.
No, but it is in scan.
Yes, it's in the scan.
For that.
Okay, I'll take it.
If you want, I can.
536.
If you want, I
I'll
can.
update everything in scan before.
Are you sure you will complete in 3 weeks? Yeah, we have
Take it.
points. Okay, 2 points, and it is for Mahadev. There is one more thing, no? 512, 507. Okay. Let me check for Maha's how many points. I think we are done for Maha. 14 points. Are you okay, Maha?
Okay.
Now is the time. If you feel overburdened, just tell us. Let us know.
Okay. No issues. I can.
It's all related to QR scanning, so you should be fine, right? Okay. Yeah, it also includes testing effort, so it should be less for her comparatively. In all stories, 1 point will be for testing. Okay. So 5 and 2. So Gautam.
So I guess 512 will also be descoped because after unlocking a level, are we redirecting to
No,
the,
we are not going to redirect.
so that one will also be descoped because previously after we unlock a level, we were redirecting to that particular level, right? So the back button action was disabled by us. So right now we have take that it is out of scope. So this one can also be descoped right now.
So David, can we descope this bug? 5 and 2. David?
Yep.
Can we descope 5 and 2 as well?
But okay, no action for phone back button. When user downloads an unlock level, app launch, tap on lock levels, sign in, download, press back button. Okay, all right. I'm just wondering how it is related to what we discussed, that we are not redirecting to courses, because I just wonder if it does not if it is not going to happen as well when you've just signed in and then you go to courses and then you tap download the lesson or unit and then press back button. I just wonder whether this should be.
In which case will it be?
We'll unlock the level. After unlocking, we'll go to the course and tap download icon. At that time, if we redirect, that was the issue, right? App launch, tap on log plugins. We get to login page, sign in. After signing in, we download it and press back. While download in progress, if you click back, you are getting the issue.
No, actually, I'm downloading the lessons. I need full back button with phone stacks. I think it was long back. I need to check after you're completing the scan function because it is available on download.
You need to check. So we want it.
So should we wait for that? David, shall we wait for Maha's completion?
Yeah, the regression.
That's right.
Do it. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's fine. Yeah. I wouldn't discope it because I think that it could appear again when we, despite the fact that we do not redirect. So let's not close it right now.
Okay.
Android app crash. Exiting from app on clicking phone back button.
iNote 7.
It still occurs.
Just a minute, David.
Actually, it was closed and then I mean, see, it's already. I mean, it's reopened again, I guess.
Let me see. iNote 7, right?
I'm not sure, but then I remember once Veena had done it, and then again it's reopened.
I think that was a different one.
Okay, I'll take that.
Okay, it's for Gautam, and are we sticking with 2 points? Okay. Okay, David, it's for Gautam.
Okay, and 2 points. Okay, it's
Yes.
2 points. Okay, now
Three 6-3, I think no solutions so far. I guess that would be the response from Ariel if he was here.
363.
Yeah. It's partially completed.
Okay, when unit 1 is done, then click in unit 2, not on cloud icon, simply proceeding the lesson. Okay, all right, so if you believe so, all right.
Okay. How about 626?
Yeah, we need to finish this one because I got it from Gautam that it is not going to work. So he's gonna have the honor to finish it.
626.
Once the spike is completed, he will be completing.
Who?
Once the spike is completed,
Which is spike?
Yeah, that one is also related. I mean, this one is related to that.
Oh, okay. So it's like David, once he's done with his spike, he can take this story, it seems. 626.
Because it's the same issue with the path. We had a discussion yesterday, right? The path keeps changing dynamically.
Okay, so but are we putting it in the sprint then or not?
I'll just complete the spike and then take this from the bit because I still haven't found out a perfect solution.
All right, so we are not putting it in the sprint right now. Yep.
Yes.
Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay. However, I believe that Veena is not going to complete it. So can we get to Gautam now?
Yes.
Yes, David.
Can we assign it to Gautam?
Yes, David.
Okay. All right. If the device is locked at the time of downloading, cloud icon failed to disappear.
Yeah, okay. Points would be 3, right? Okay. He's fine with 417?
I don't think he knows. Oh, I guess he don't know. He knows the three issues.
Other than that, it's something
He said like he will take one more
Okay.
from of David's choice.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let's have it, David, for Edel, and no changes with points.
Okay.
And
All right. Yep.
Ram,
Yes, right.
and Ram says he can take 669.
Because
Okay. He was actually assigned to it, but we just need to have estimation.
this is that is the pop-up alone, right? That UI alone, right? Not in this story, this is we need to show the model, right? Functionality, we don't want to touch anything, right?
Wait. Could you repeat the question?
Okay, in PEMOB 669, previously it was like push animation showing that signing out. Instead of that, we need to show the model, right? Model, right?
I'm just because currently when we are signing out, we do not have a new view, right?
Yes,
Sorry?
there won't be any animation. Just as
Let me
But that's he is telling that we will be pushing that screen, right? Instead of that,
he's
we
saying,
need
right? David is saying there is no animation currently
No.
while we sign out.
Oh, there is one. There is one. Wait, but there is. Let me see. Okay, David. Right. And when I'm signing out,
Okay. No, you're telling we'll be showing that signing out with a loader in a separate page. You just want that in a pop-up, model pop-up. That is the story, right?
no, it was something else in the past. Because in the past, it was like when we were signing out,
Okay.
we showed a new view with
Yeah.
the loader, and then we went back, and it was of push. So we went to the right, and I wanted it to be loaded from the bottom, right? However, I can see that we have a bit more. The story is a bit different, you know. So because I think that we should rename it to something like when. Sorry. All right. When we open the login view, the animation, the transition animation is of push. Sorry. Well, it should be modal. Currently, when the user opens the login screen, we open a new view with a push animation. It should load from bottom to as a standard iOS model view transition. Okay, do you know what I mean?
Okay. This transition for sign in and sign out for both, or you just want this in sign in alone?
No, just for sign in, because I think I've just played with it, right? Because well, it has changed a bit since I reported that. That's why I needed to change it. So the thing is that talking about only sign in, right? Because if I tap let's go, I'm taken to the right. I wanted to slide from the bottom and cover the entire screen, right? This is just for sign in. For sign out, it's something different because when signing out, I have a transition from one screen to another that is, I believe, completely redundant. We don't need it. So, but this is going to be a separate story. So this one is only for sign-in. Okay?
Okay, just a minute, David.
David, let me explain that. Just please correct me if I'm wrong. See, when user taps on sign in button, we need to show the model pop-up saying signing in, right?
No. No. No, let me go and grab a wire to show you what I mean. Okay? So just give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Are you there?
Yes, yes, David.
All right. So this is my phone,
Okay.
right? And if I go to my profile and I tap Let's Go, you could see that it went, when I tapped it, it went to the right. I would like this animation to be of modal type. Let me find one here. Okay, it's something like that. So what you can see is that we slide from bottom, right, instead of going to the right. This is what I call a modal animation, right? Because this is what is a modal animation on iOS. Okay, let me try to find another one, another example like that. Okay. This is modal animation, right? That's what I mean. So here I would like it to be not go to the right, but it should slide from bottom and cover the entire screen. And there is a separate matter when I sign in. Okay, I'm here. And if I tap sign out, right, what is going to happen is, yeah, there is this movement. That is, I believe, unnecessary, but it's going to be a separate ticket. So yeah. So this is it. So for this one, I would like this one not to go to the right, but from bottom and cover the entire screen.
Overloaded form.
I'll take model views file.
Because it is.
If you're sure, confident, you know how to do, then I don't have a problem, Gautam.
Yeah. Model views file, I almost have a way to go.
Okay, Gautam, if you're sure about 669,
Yeah. No,
it's all interlinked.
Edel control 538 11 points. Income. 82 spike.
Just a minute, David. You're just
Shall we do one thing first? Prioritize the things, and then if the spike is of more priority, I'll first work on the spike.
760.
Senses.
Blank activity.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take the blank activity thing.
blank
762.
entity.
762.
Yes.
Which one?
My story. 762.
Blank activity displayed in Android devices.
Oh, okay.
762.
Can 669 wait for next print, David?
Yeah, okay. It's not the most important thing right now, for sure.
Okay. And just one more change.
762.
762. Gautam will take 762. Yeah. Gautam.
Oh, sorry.
I guess we can stop here, David.
I think so too. Yeah, if there is some spare time, we can add new things. That's fine.
Sure. If Gautam is done with this spike, maybe he can work on the related story. Yeah, we can play in the middle.
Sure. Okay.
And anything else for Sheikh, David? I don't think so.
I don't think so either right now because, well, there are going to be things related to accessibility, but I didn't analyze them. I just put them a bit lower, so because I want to do, I want us to do them well at the end. So I didn't analyze them. So let me see if there is anything that would look shakish. Switch between child and login view? No, because this one was parked actually.
Yeah.
Because it appears that we might run into legal problems if we do that. So that's what I heard from UX. Say how much space I have left on the device. I do not have a mock-up for that yet. No, I don't think we have anything. Well, maybe he can do a push animations. Yeah. Okay. No. I cannot see anything that would look shakish.
Okay, David. So, and we were talking about the close button yesterday and Sheikh's involvement in that. And I think he has completed it, David. And regarding the build, can we provide you the build by tomorrow? As you have demo on Friday, Eril can complete his animation work in that transcript. And then a few more validation is pending in his story, so he can complete it, and then we can provide a build by tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I don't know if the demo is going to happen because if I feel as bad as I do, as I'm feeling right now, I will not do the demo. But maybe it is going to be moved to Monday, not later than that. So yeah, so that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, David, I have one more update. Yesterday, while in review, we have discussed about iPhone X, the top of it, close button, right?
Yeah, that's what I told you. It's fixed, right?
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
except
the same thing,
that's what. Except that activity page, we have fixed everything.
Okay. All right. Well, the activity page, if you fixed it, you would be geniuses because I know that it's a design pack and it's a crazy thing. But for the rest, then it's fine. Yeah. But anyway, when I saw that there was this solution that you could swipe down to close it, then it was still fine. I just got already scared that I wouldn't be able to do any demos on iPhone 10, but I could see that it was fine. So thank you. Yeah, great.
Okay, so for that, can we have a separate task in the sprint, David?
For which one? For the one that for fixing this X button?
Yeah. Is that your capped activity would be separate, or how do you want?
We can't able to do that.
That
because
is
it is in
related to you.
design pack. That is
Okay.
that remaining other 3 pages login screen.
So only for the 3 pages.
Yes.
Registration, login, terms and conditions. Just for the 3 pages alone, can we have the task, David?
Sure. Close button should be moved.
Yeah, it will be included in this participant.
Okay. 5. Login, registration, and any other?
Terms and conditions. Okay.
Okay. Will you assign it to Shake?
Yeah, David.
Okay. Done. Okay. So I'm starting the sprint.
Okay.
And it is starting today. However, the end date is not in 2 weeks' time, but in 3 weeks' time. So it's the 10th of April, right?
Yes, David.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Look at Gautam. He has done everything, almost everything.
Actually, David, that story was supposed to be only for the refactoring
Right.
things, and later we added up everything in the same story.
Yes.
I know. Okay. All right. So look at that. We have a very small backlog. The majority of the things are going to be about accessibility and the design pack. We have just a few. But there is still this one pending for Ezil. When I open the app, there is a push animation when opening the app. Yeah. So, well, Ezil cannot avoid it. Okay. Anyway, so let's call it today if possible because I'm really feeling well. So,
Okay.
yeah. So I think that should be enough.
Okay, David. Let's meet tomorrow then.
Yeah, I will keep you updated because, well, I don't know if I'm gonna be available tomorrow, right? So if I'm unavailable for the daily, I'll definitely let you know. Okay? It depends how I feel.
No problem, David. Take care.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.